Welcome back to the buying $1 of Bitcoin everyday experiment. Today is day 1,850 in a row. Over here on the left side of the screen, I have Strike app, which is what I'm using to purchase and send Bitcoin. And then over here on the right is the Bitcoin wallet where I'm sending all of it pretty much. So you can see the last send was today for 0.001 BTC. Worth about $62. Total in the balance right now is 0.1214 Bitcoin, worth about $6,902. Let's go ahead and buy today's Bitcoin on Strike app. Current price for Bitcoin is about $56,750. Tap buy, tap $1, tap next. It's going to give us our order details and tap confirm. Just like that, purchase today's Bitcoin. So now we have $1 worth over here on Strike app as well. I'm just going to keep this one short and sweet. Bitcoin is performing well lately, especially the past week or so, approaching those all-time highs again. The halving is coming up in a couple months now. And as you know, if you've watched my videos all the way through, I expect Bitcoin to perform well into the halving and a few months after the halving. That's usually when we see the best price performance. So I would expect new all-time highs somewhere here in 2024. However, this is just a dollar cost averaging experiment. And remember, you can dive into some of the other videos. I go a lot more in depth. I'm just keeping this one pretty short. So we have $6,902 and $1 over here. So $6,903 divided by 1,850 days in a row. And we get a 3.73x on my investment. So doing very well with the dollar cost average strategy. Can't really beat that for something with almost no risk. I think most people watching this could risk $1 a day. Let's do the overall gain. $6,903 minus 1,850 days equals $5,053 gained. So performing great there as well. I don't know what to say about it. Everything is going pretty much in line with everything I've talked about for the past few years. So loving this experiment and gonna continue to keep on going. Right now I'm doing an update video every 50 days, so be sure to subscribe if you're interested in that. There's also a lot of other solid informational crypto videos on the channel as well. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.